Welcome. Speak English fluently. Easy English practice. Daily English podcast.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Can you tell me about your family?
Of course. I live with my mom, dad, and two sisters.
Two sisters. Are they younger or older?
One is older, she's 18. The other is younger, only 8.
That's a big age difference. What about your parents?
My mom is a teacher and my dad is an engineer.
That sounds nice. Do you all eat dinner together?
Yes, almost every evening. My mom cooks very well.
Lucky you. I eat with my grandparents too.
That's nice. So, what's your daily routine?
I wake up at 7 a.m., then I get ready for school.
I wake up earlier at 6 a.m. I like quiet mornings.
After school, I usually do my homework.
Same here. Then I help my little sister with her homework.
That's kind of you. Do you play any sports?
Yes, football in the park around 5 p.m.
Cool. I go jogging 3 times a week.
Nice. And what time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30.
I sleep at 9:30. Sleep is important.
True. Families and routines keep us busy, but happy.
Exactly. How are you today?
Hi, Olivia. I'm fine. And you?
I'm happy because I visited my aunt yesterday.
Oh, nice. Where does your aunt live?
She lives in the countryside. She's the woman who grows many flowers.
Wow. I like people who grow flowers.
She also has a dog that loves to play with me.
That sounds fun. Did you eat there?
Yes, my uncle, who is a great cook, made pasta.
Yum. Pasta is my favorite.
After lunch, my cousin showed me her drawings.
Is she the girl who wants to be an artist?
Yes, that's her. She is very talented.
What else did you do?
We walked in the garden and picked apples.
Sounds perfect. Yesterday, I stayed home because it rained.
What did you do at home?
I played guitar. My brother, who usually plays video games, joined me.
That's cool. Music makes boring days better.
True. Next time, maybe I can visit your aunt, too.
Sure, she loves guests.
Hi, Leo. How are you?
I'm good, but I'm a little hungry.
Hungry? Why?
Because I didn't eat breakfast today.
Oh, no. Do you want tea or juice?
Juice, please. I like juice and cookies.
I like juice too, but I prefer tea in the morning.
I don't like tea because it tastes bitter.
What about fruit? Do you like apples or bananas?
I like apples, but I don't like bananas.
Why not?
Because bananas are too soft.
Fair enough. What do you usually eat for lunch?
Rice and curry, or sometimes noodles.
Same here. I like noodles, but I can't eat spicy food.
I love spicy food because it's exciting.
You're brave. I drink milk, but not coffee.
I drink both. Coffee helps me stay awake.
Okay. Food makes us different, but that's fun. Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Hannah. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can. I play every weekend.
Nice. I can't play basketball, but I can skate.
That's cool. I can't skate at all.
No problem. Everyone has different skills.
True. Can you sing?
A little. Can you?
No, my voice is terrible, but I can cook.
Wow, that's useful.
Yes. Would you like to come to my cooking club on Friday?
Really? That sounds fun. What time?
At 5 p.m. in the community hall.
Great. May I bring my friend Mia?
Of course. She can join too.
Thanks. I can also bring some fruits for dessert.
Perfect. I will make pasta and you can bring fruits.
Deal. I can't wait.
Hi, Grace. How are you?
Hi, Noah. I'm fine. Yesterday, I met your friend.
Oh, you mean Jason?
Yes, he seems very friendly.
He's friendly and very funny.
He has short brown hair, right?
Yes, and green eyes.
He is taller than me.
Don't worry, most people are taller than me, too.
He looked sporty. Does he like sports?
Yes, he plays tennis twice a week.
That's nice. And your sister?
Her name is Ella. She's younger than me.
What does she look like?
She is short with curly black hair.
Is she shy or outgoing?
Outgoing. She talks to everyone.
Wow, she sounds interesting. Hi, Ben.
You look tired. Are you okay?
Hi, Chloe. I have a little cold.
Oh, no. Do you want some water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Would you like some medicine?
Not now. Maybe later.
Can I get you a blanket?
Yes, that would be nice.
Here you go. Feel warmer now?
Yes, much better.
When I'm sick, I drink soup.
My mom also makes soup when I'm sick.
Do you want me to call your teacher?
No, thanks. I'll be fine.
Okay, but rest well.
I will. You are a kind friend.
Hi, Ethan. How are you?
Hi, Ava. I'm good. Yesterday, I went to the zoo.
Really? How was it?
Amazing. The elephants were bigger than I imagined.
Wow. I think giraffes are taller than elephants.
True. I saw both. The giraffe was the tallest.
Did you see lions?
Yes, they were louder than tigers.
I like monkeys because they are the funniest.
I agree. They made everyone laugh.
Who went with you?
My cousin, he took better photos than me.
Yesterday, I stayed home. That was more boring than the zoo.
Don't worry. Next time, come with us.
Hi, Max. The sky looks cloudy.
Yes. If it rains, I will stay inside.
If it doesn't rain, I will go for a walk.
Good idea. If I walk, I will take my dog.
If you take your dog, he will be happy.
True. What will you do if you stay home?
If I stay home, I will watch TV.
If I watch TV,